friends, today I will show you how to make professional YouTube channel art banner cover in just 5 minutes. In your browser and search box type Canva. Canva is amazing simple graphics design software. It's really simple and drag and droppable. If you are a newcomer, then sign up, which is suit for you. I have already an account and I am now login. This is my dashboard, and here is the left sidebar. Just click find templates, and here is a lot of templates. There are 50 templates here. We need a web banners. Click the web banners, and here is all type of banners: blog banners, email headers, Facebook covers, Facebook event, and much more. We need YouTube channel art. YouTube suggested and recommended channel art size 2560 pixel width and 1440 pixel height, and maximum file size 6 MB. So here is a lot of template. You can choose any one as you like, and all the templates are really good. For a music site, you can choose this, or what the template you prefer. Just I like to use this template for music purpose. Here is recommended another template you can choose. I want to use this template, so click the button use this template. This template is now ready to use. Here is the option to change the image or text. You can add or search new photo, for example music. These photos are also free. You can choose any photo you want, just drag and drop, or Ctrl Z to remove this. So here I type DJ music. I write sample test here. You can write as you want, or you can choose another template. So now I save this, download. This is a recommended size format PNG. Hit the download button, and the file is processing to download. Yes, downloaded complete. Show in folder, blue piano keys music YouTube channel art. So now I am going to my YouTube channel home page. Click the button and my channel button, and create customize channel. Here is the add channel art icon. Hit the button and upload from your computer. Download. Blue piano music art. This is example for music, desktop version, TV version, and mobile version. So adjust this crop, select. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel to get updates.